We'll be having that occultation coming up on Wednesday evening. Or ask me, what the heck is an occultation? Well, it's just a fancy way to say when one celestial object passes behind another. In this case, Mars passing behind the Moon, because obviously, when you look in the night sky, the Moon's about 100 times bigger than Mars is. Now, they'll only be visible from a small part of the Earth. Most of these occultations are. In this case, it'll be mainly a Western Hemisphere event and a Northern Hemisphere event. A lot of Canada will be able to see this in a good portion of the United States, with the exception of the East Coast, as well as portions of the Southeast and the Gulf Coast. And finally, Mars will be near perigee, just a fancy way of saying that when planets orbit, they're elliptical orbits, they're not circular orbits, so it'll be the closest to the Earth. That's what perigee means. It also means it'll appear larger than usual. The next question is obviously, how the heck do I view this thing? Well, you want to look to the east, northeast. Now, both these objects will become visible in Wyoming shortly after about 5 o'clock, since we have these very short nights since we're near the solstice. However, Mars will disappear behind the Moon at about 7:45, then reappear on the other side around 8:45. And finally, you want to identify Mars? Well, it's going to be very close to the Moon, obviously, but it's going to appear to the left of the Moon. It'll be a red-orange object. Now, if you want to identify planets from stars, because usually planets don't twinkle and stars do. So if you have a chance on Wednesday evening, look up to the night sky and enjoy it. Have a good day, everyone.